Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can swap coins on Trust Wallet. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search here Trust Wallet and open your Trust Wallet, and let me enter my passcode, and then you are in your wallet, and then you need to click on any token. So I'm going to click on Ethereum, and then you need to click on swap, and then you need to click on the currency in which you want to swap that, or tokens. I'm going to swap that in that token, and once it is selected you simply need to click on swap. I don't have Ethereum, so that's why I'm unable, but once you click on that you can swap easily. Another method is to click on dApps and click on the Uniswap interface and click on connect, and here you can also select a token to swap. So this is a process by which you can swap coins on Trust Wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.